It's been a long day without you, my friend, and I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. We've come a long way from where we began. Oh, I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. When I see you again.
Damn, who knew? All the planes we flew, good things we've been through, that I'll be standing right here talking to you about another path. I know we love to hit the road and laugh, but something told me that it wouldn't last. Had to switch up, look at things different, see the bigger picture. Those were the days, hard work forever pays. Now I see you in a better place. How can we not talk about family when family's all that we got? Everything I would do, you were standing there by my side, and now you gon' be with me for the last ride.
It's been a long day without you, my friend, and I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. We've come a long way, from where we began.
You know we started.
Oh, I'll tell you all about it when I see you again.
I'll tell you.
When I see you again.
First you both go out your way and the vibe is feeling strong. And what's small turn to a friendship turn to a bond, and that bond will never be broken. The love will never get lost. And when brotherhood come first, then the line will never be crossed. Established it on our own when that line had to be drawn, and that line is what we reach. So remember me when I'm gone. How can we not talk about family when family's all that we got? Everything I went through, you were standing there by my side, and now you gon' be with me for the last ride.
Let the light guide your way. Yeah. Hold every memory as you go, and every road you take will always lead you home. Oh, it's been a long day without you, my friend, and I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. We've come a long way from where we began. Oh, I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. When I see you again.
I just wanna rewind. I haven't seen you in a long time. You got me feeling so lonely. Even when you come through, I can tell that it isn't you. So baby, bring it in closely. Hate the way I love you, but you're so sweet. I always find a way to say the wrong things. I wish that we were laying in the same sheets, but lately you've been acting like you hardly know me. So lonely, even when you come through, I can tell that it isn't you. So baby, bring it in closely. Hate the way I love you, but you're so sweet. I always find a way to say the wrong things. I wish that we were laying in the same sheets, but lately you've been acting like you hardly know me. I've only recently watching me, watching me. So baby, won't you say so? Baby, come home. So baby, won't you say so? Baby, come home. So baby, won't you say so? Baby, come home. So baby, won't you say so?
Sometimes I wish you knew, but I disguise the truth. I say I'm happy, but I'm still stuck on us. Does your mind play this game too? Think about me and you. I guess I'll just pretend until it all makes sense. See you face to face, I'm thinking about the days we used to be. But I can't make a scene. But I can't make a scene. See you face to face, I'm thinking about the days we used to be. But I can't make a scene. But I can't make a scene. Like I want you. Even if it's true. Even if it's true. I guess it's overdue. Tell me your point of view. Tell me, am I to blame? You're so good with change. A table set for two. You got me waiting, but you ain't coming through. Tried to stay patient, but gotta face the truth. Ooh, ooh, see you face to face, I'm thinking about the days we used to be. But I can't make a scene. But I can't make a scene. See you face to face, I'm thinking about the days we used to be. But I can't make a scene. But I can't make a scene. Like I want you. Even if it's true. Even if it's true. You, babe. Even if it's true. There's no reason to believe I'll save us now. But if you really love me, say it now. Why is it so hard to figure out? I need you every day, believe me when I say it. Like I want you. Even if it's true. Even if it's true.
Hello?
Hey, it's me. I gotta tell you something. Balloons are deflated. Guess they look lifeless like me. We miss you on your side of the bed.
Hand me a towel, I'm dirty dancing by myself, gone off tabs of that acid. Form me a circle, watch my Jagger. Might lose my jacket and hit a solo one time. We too loud in public, them police turned down a function. Now we outside and the timing's perfect. Forgot to tell you, gotta tell you how much I vibe with you. And we don't gotta be solo. Now stay away from highways, my eyes like them red lights. Right now I prefer yellow, red bone, so mellow. Fuck around, be cutting you. Think we were better off solo. I got that act right in the windy city that night. No trees to blow through, but blow me. And I owe you 2 grams from the sunrise. Smoking good, rolling solo. 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 It's hell on earth and the city's on fire. In hell, there's heaven. There's a bull and a matador dueling in the sky. In hell, there's heaven. I'm skipping showers and switching socks, sleeping good and long. Bones feeling dense as fuck, wish a nigga would cross and catch a solo on time. White leaf on my boxers, green leaf turn to vapors for the low. And that means cheap cause ain't shit free and I know it. Even love ain't cause it's not cost, that clinic killed my soul. But you gotta hit the pussy roto. Now your baby mama ain't so vicious. All she want is her picket fence and you protest and you pick a sign, but them courts won't side with you. Won't let you fly solo. I wanted that act right in Colorado that night. I brought trees to blow through, but it's just me and no you. Stayed up till my phone died. Smoking big, rolling solo. It's hell on earth and the city's on fire. In hell, there's heaven. There's a bull and a matador dueling in the sky. In hell, there's heaven. By myself. If you ever start to wonder
by all the rain and all the thunder follows her around. You better cut that girl loose. Most of the time everything's fine, but as soon as she starts to whine, if you have no patience, you better cut that girl loose. What are you, a coward? Who are you helping? You got the power, then do it yourself, King. Then do it for her. You better cut that girl loose. Set her free, let it be. Leave it be. Oh yes. You don't love me anymore. Let's see how you like this song. See you walking out that door. Wonder why it took you so long. Ever since the day that I met you, knew you were the girl of my dreams, but we could never be.
Yeah, sorry, I was just getting everything in the elevator. Thank you, I'll be outside. Sorry, I was actually just gonna take my phone.
Take it.
So write down any phone numbers you need.
Lately you've been busy, wondering if you miss me. Why did you go against me? I just wanna know, how come you act so different? Talk to me, I'll listen. All the love I'm giving, don't act like you don't know. I was out there on the road, life out of control. She became a victim to my busy schedule, and I know that it's not fair, that don't mean that I don't care. This one's dedicated to the girl out there. Girl, you always catch me at the bad time, when I know you probably think it's a lie. I know I told you last time was the last time. How could you put the plug and make me flatline? How could you put the plug and make me flatline? 'Cause when I hit you, you don't even reply. How could you put the plug and make me flatline? Not breathing, what is it I'm not seeing? Said she's leaving, damn I can't believe it. It's like my heart's bleeding, knowing that you don't need me. Shut my heart down, and I don't know what I'ma do now. I was out there on the road, life out of control. She became a victim to my busy schedule, and I know that it's not fair, that don't mean that I don't care. This one's dedicated to the girl out there. Girl, you always catch me at the bad time, when I know you probably think it's a lie. I know I told you last time was the last time. How could you put the plug and make me flatline? How could you put the plug and make me flatline? 'Cause when I hit you, you plug and make me flatline. Flatline. You always catch me at the bad time, when I know you probably think it's a lie. I know I told you last time was the last time. How could you pull the plug and make me flatline? Flatline, flatline. How could you pull the plug and make me flatline? 'Cause when I hit you, you don't even reply. How could you pull the plug and make me flatline?